Hi, my name's Adam Flynn from Biggin and Scotch Real Estate here in the City of Knox. Thank you for your inquiry on this property. If you have any questions on this property or any of the properties we currently have on the market, please feel free to give me a call on 0423 694 755. Thank you for your inquiry and have a fantastic day.
Walking distance to everything Boronia has to offer, including schools, shops, transport and restaurants, is this fantastic residence, a must-see for anyone wanting a property offering the very best in quality, low-maintenance living. With not a cent to spend on it, this property represents a rare opportunity for first home buyers, downsizers or investors. It offers a spacious bedroom with built-in wardrobe, luxurious bathroom, well-appointed kitchen with ample cupboard space, amazing light-filled lounge room and secure car accommodation. This property, put simply, is a must to see. At Biggin and Scott Knox, we deliver.